In the grand tapestry of European history, the 15th century wove a tale of unity and conflict in the icy realms of Scandinavia. The narrative thread of this history is the Kalmar Union, a complex and often misunderstood chapter in the story of Northern Europe. This union, a bold attempt to unify the kingdoms of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden under a single monarch, stands as a symbol of Scandinavian ambition and the enduring power of regional identity. Rewind to the late 14th century, when the Scandinavian landscape was marked by fractured kingdoms and frequent wars. The Black Death had swept through, leaving social and economic devastation in its wake. Yet, amidst this chaos, an opportunity for unity emerged. The crowns of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden lay on the heads of young, unmarried monarchs. The stage was set for a grand union, orchestrated by the indomitable Queen Margaret I of Denmark. In 1389, Margaret, already ruling Denmark and Norway, claimed the Swedish throne, effectively forming the Kalmar Union. The union was officially established in 1397 at the city of Kalmar, where Eric of Pomerania, Margaret's grandnephew, was crowned king over all three kingdoms. However, the union was no tranquil idyll. It was fraught with internal strife, notably from the Swedish nobility who resented Danish dominance. This tension boiled over in 1434 with the Engelbrekt Rebellion, a significant uprising that highlighted the union's inherent instability. Despite these challenges, the Kalmar Union persisted for over a century, largely due to the diplomatic skill and military prowess of its leaders. Yet, the seeds of discord sown by regional differences and political unrest were inevitably sprouting. In 1523, the Union crumbled when Gustav Vasa seized the Swedish throne, marking the end of this shared Scandinavian chapter. Reflecting on the Kalmar Union, several key points emerge. Firstly, it was a testament to the diplomatic finesse of Margaret I, whose strategic marriages and political maneuvering paved the way for this political union. Secondly, it revealed the deep-rooted regional identities within Scandinavia. Despite the shared crown, the kingdoms retained their laws, customs, and regional loyalties, leading to persistent tension and conflict. Lastly, the union's demise underscored the challenges of maintaining a multinational union with disparate identities and interests. The Kalmar Union, while ultimately short-lived, was a significant chapter in the history of Scandinavia. It was an ambitious attempt to bring unity to a region characterized by diversity and regionalism. In its rise and fall, it offered a mirror to Europe, reflecting the tensions between unity and diversity, central power and regional identity, that have shaped the continent's history. The Kalmar Union may be a historical footnote now, but its echoes continue to resonate in the narrative of European history.